Hey then, welcome back to my channel. Today, I finally got my hands on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Right, so it's been 4 months since this phone was released. It was released in October 2022. I finally got my hands on the Google Pixel Pro. Now, of course, the Galaxy S23 is out, the OnePlus 11 is out. Hopefully, I'll be doing those reviews soon. But I'm glad I got this phone a little bit later on, because we know usually in the early stages when a phone is just released, there's lots of bugs. I think 4 months is good enough time where all those bugs and most of those kinks would have been worked out. Okay, so I've had the Google Pixel 7 Pro for about 48 hours so far. These are just my first impressions. It's not going to be a full review. That will come soon. Now, of course, this phone was released 4 months ago, and it's been touted as, of course, one of the best Android phones you can buy. But I chose this because I watched several reviews, but the other color besides the obsidian, which is the black, is best at hiding fingerprints. Because one thing to note about this phone, and I would really suggest you get a case for it, this phone is very slippery on nearly any surface it will slip. Of course, it is Gorilla Glass on the back, but it is so slippery. But the white somehow does hide fingerprints quite better. So of course, just looking at the aesthetic of it, one major controversy with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro with the placements of the buttons was a bit too high, and I must say it is much better laid out here. It's a bit lower. One thing is that sometimes I would mistakenly be pressing the power button for the volume that's coming from a Samsung S21 Ultra. Tested out the speakers, and so far it's sounding good. Of course, there's one button firing, and there is one here in the earpiece. It sounds pretty good. Compared to the S21 Ultra, I must say I've noticed more bass. There's a USB Type-C port. Just got your SIM tray here. The nice thing about this as well is that it is dual SIM, so I do like that it's dual SIM. You have your mic on top. There's also a mic on the camera bar. We'll get to that soon. One other area of controversy before was a fingerprint scanner, and it seems to work perfectly fine now. This phone, it is buttery smooth. I absolutely love it. I love the layout. I love these tiles rather than what it looks like on One UI and most of the Android phones. They're way more interactive. I love the media player layout as well. It's pretty good. I just really love using this phone. It's smooth. I've done a little bit of gaming as well. That was pretty good. I haven't done an extensive gaming test to see how hot the phone gets, but we're gonna get into that. But so far, I must say the experience on this device has been exceptional. Call quality, Wi-Fi has been good. This has Wi-Fi 6E. Connection to my Samsung Galaxy Buds Live have been pretty good as well. The Bluetooth has been perfectly fine. Also with my Galaxy Watch, it's connected. You don't lose connection. So overall, so far, a very, very solid phone. So just my first impressions of the Pixel 7 Pro. It's fast, it's snappy. I like the feel of it. I like the weight in my hand. It does feel premium. I love the camera bar. I mean, I've always been a Pixel fan, but this is just iconic. Someone sees this, they instantly know it's a Pixel, or at least they know it's not a Samsung or an Apple phone, right? There you go. That's my impression of the Pixel 7 Pro. Stay tuned for the full review. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss another video. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have a Pixel 7 Pro, or maybe a Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, or maybe the regular 7, let me know your thoughts down below on how it's been working out for you, and also let me know what would you like to see me review in the official review. Now, if you would like to help out my channel, I cannot make money from YouTube where I'm at here in Trinidad and Tobago. I cannot monetize, I cannot make money from videos. This is literally all just for fun. I don't have sponsors, I don't have companies sending me phones, but there's a donate button in my about. You could go there, you could click, and you could donate. Now it'll be in TT dollars because that's where I'm based, but if you click on that, it would give you an option for US dollars, which is more global. So if you're outside of Trinidad and Tobago and you would like to help the channel, help donate so I could bring more reviews, maybe I could do the Pixel 7 and see which one really suits you, or maybe another device or another gadget. You can let me know in the comments as well. Just hit the donate button. If you're outside of Trinidad and Tobago, hit the currency switcher. From TT dollars, you see the US dollars option. And just drop me a few pennies and it will really help the channel, help me to grow and to bring more reviews like these, more videos like these for you. So until the next one, I'm Stefan for 868 Tech TV. Have a good one.